Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set a daily time reminder on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Most social media apps have features that help users limit the amount of time spent on the platform. The Facebook app offers a similar feature called the Daily Time Reminder. If you're tired of spending too much time on Facebook, I will show you how to limit by setting up a daily time reminder on Facebook. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on the three lines over here or your profile. You can tap on settings and privacy here. Now you can tap on settings. You can scroll down on preferences. There is an option, your time on Facebook. You can tap on that. Now you can tap on manage your time. You will see there is an option like quiet mode and on the bottom is daily time reminder. Now you can see the toggle is non-active. You have to activate by tap on the toggle here. Facebook will send you a reminder after you use Facebook for the amount of time you choose. Your average time per day on this device in the last week is 16 minutes. Now you can choose maybe for 1 hour, 5 minutes. You can tap on the set reminder. So you will get a reminder after you use Facebook for the amount of time you choose. That's 1 hour and 5 minutes. After you use Facebook for 1 hour and 5 minutes, Facebook will give you a reminder like a pop-ups or something to remind you that you already using your Facebook for 1 hour and 5 minutes. So that is how to set daily time reminder on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!